So we'll just run a few checks. We'll have a look at this one where this printing dimensions, and there should be one with ... in it as well, right? So if I go to search and go printing, come on. Go on, search for me. Oh, there's something wrong with my Chrome at the minute, I think. There we go. Printing, right? So printing dimensions, the ... actually changed it into this log. So I know in printing dimensions, the contacts, oh, they are, they're all in, right? These ones here, printing dimensions, have all been tagged together, but this one hasn't, right? So what I'm going to do is go up here and find and merge duplicates. So I want you to find where it starts, printing dimensions here. You can delete these as well and just search for that. I could get rid of this and search, right? So if you notice on your spreadsheet it's wrong, or you see it in your system, and I'm going to tag the two that are correct, printing and printing dimensions. I'm going to tag it. It's going to say which ones do you want to keep, what information do you want to keep. So I don't want this one with the E at the end, I want this one. And anything else, everything else is going to be pretty much the same. Employees, I don't know where it's got this information from. I think from the website or some search. 14th of December. Oh, I must have already done that. Again, pick whatever you want. Pick what is more, which is needed for you, and merge them together. I understand. Yeah, they are different companies actually. They're different addresses, because I just changed this to the different addresses. If you look here, because I was just messing about with the sheet. But anyway, you pick what you want, and then they will go through and merge. So now the extra contact has arrived. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of manual work. You're gonna have to go through your accounts. If you see things showing up that look the same, or you notice that a contact's in the wrong place, you can merge it with another account if you've got two of the same. Cool.